Moving on to the world of business then, oil prices are highly volatile as geopolitical tensions flare up across key crude-producing regions.
And this has raised fresh concerns of a possible oil price shock. Analysts warn that this volatility could stoke inflation, pressure financial markets and limit the scope for interest rate cuts. Take a look at this next report for more details. Oil prices are highly volatile as geopolitical tensions intensify across key crude-producing regions. Brent crude rose nearly 10% in just 1 week, trading above $65 a barrel, its highest level since November. The rally follows rising tensions between the United States and Venezuela, along with escalating unrest in Iran, both major oil producers. Analysts say supply disruption fears are once again influencing prices, pushing energy markets into a phase of heightened volatility. Analysts warn that a further surge in oil prices could trigger a broader market reaction. Some analysts say Brent at $80 a barrel would qualify as an oil price shock. High energy costs could fuel inflation, squeeze consumer spending, and weigh on economic growth. That scenario could also limit the US Federal Reserve's ability to cut interest rates, raising the risk of a simultaneous sell-off in stocks and bonds, particularly after 3 strong years of equity markets. Geopolitical risk remains elevated, with some analysts putting the odds of a major oil supply shock at around 40% if the conflict in the Gulf intensifies. However, views remain divided. CRISIL says that India is unlikely to face immediate pressure due to its diversified crude import basket and Venezuela's limited role in global supply. Goldman Sachs expects oil prices to remain volatile but sees a supply surplus later this year, with long-term Brent prices averaging around $75 in the 2030 to 35 period. For now, markets remain alert as geopolitics continue to drive oil prices swings. Business Bureau, WION World is One.